I'm going to do a little unboxing of this item that I ordered on Amazon Prime. If you don't have Prime, you can get your free delivery with your Amazon Prime orders. So I'm going to make a cheesecake, and I ordered this Last Confection 6x3 inch deep round aluminum cheesecake pan. And the reason I like this one is because it actually has a removable bottom. So it's actually professional bakeware. And you can order these on Amazon. And there should be a link in the bottom. I'll put a link in the bottom for you to check that out as well. So check this out. So it's got nice quality aluminum. And ideally what you would do is when you use this, you would cover this with wax paper so that your cheesecake doesn't stick. You put it in the bottom of this pan like that, and when the cheesecake is done, you simply pop it out the bottom. You pop it out the bottom. So I'm going to do a little review on this. I'll let you know how this works out for me. And my kids and I, we're going to make a nice little cheesecake here for the queen, for the mama. All right, so check me out. Let's see what this cheesecake looks like. Alright guys, so this is the crust, the graham cracker crust for the cheesecake. As you can see, I have 2 packages of these graham crackers that I've ground up and placed in the bowl here. You'll also notice that there's 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's what you're seeing right here. It's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add to this some butter. And this is going to be 4 tablespoons of butter. It's just 4 tablespoons of butter. Four tablespoons of butter. And that's my little girl with her Paw Patrol watching the Paw Patrol video. It's fine to be. Okay, everyone, our cheesecake has been in the refrigerator for about 3, maybe 4 hours. And now we're just going to take it out of the container. Remember, it's got that removable bottom. And we're going to see how it came out. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Wow. Mommy's gonna love it.
Mommy's going to love that, huh?
Yeah.
Took a couple strikes to get it out of there.
Chicka.
Man, that looks amazing.
Wow. Mama's gonna like that.
All right, that's the cheesecake. And you'll get the taste test from, probably from my wife.
Let me smell it.
You want to smell it? Smells good.
It smells like ice cream. Smell it, Daddy.
All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you try this recipe. Hope it works out for you.